They still run our cities. They dispatch first responders. They process your taxes, your benefits, your water bill. They keep the lights on, and they're built on code older than many of us. These legacy systems are the biggest unspoken threat in government today. The people who built them are retiring. The risk of replacing them, enormous. The cost of doing nothing, even greater. So what's the answer? It's not replacement, it's transformation. Presidio's Human AI Modernize is the bridge between legacy and what's next. Presidio's Human AI approach rewires what you already have, safely, intelligently, and fast. HAI Modernize simplifies and streamlines your old code with simple prompts from a modern user interface. AI agents do the grunt work with humans in the loop to ensure quality. No disruption, no downtime, just rapid modernization of critical government services. From COBOL to cloud, from fragile to future-ready, from risk to resilience. Presidio HAI Modernize for state and local government, the bridge from outdated to outstanding for every constituent.